So because it takes me, since I don't have business every day, like a bunch of flux of business, it's a lot of project work that I do. So I got train projects, but that's a 3-year project. I'll get a deposit, but I'll probably need another one for 8 months. You know what I'm saying? So that's how my business is and whatnot. So when it's slow, I just be working.
Yeah. I mean, I'm the same way because I don't like to stay home.
All right,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I just like to keep moving. It makes me feel, you know what I mean?
So I say that to say I'll come the day and because in order for me to know it get done right and fast, I have to be here.
Yeah.
This is why I tell you I'm coming.
You know what I'm saying? Even though I'm not going to be able to do it, but I'm going to be here really some shit. I'm telling you, that's why I'm here. So for next time.
Are you gonna make mine stop beeping down in the welcome center?
Yeah, eventually.
That thing's driving me insane.
Eventually.
What kind of security are you? You see some strange men just sitting in the hallway and you don't even ask what they're here for?
They're cute, so they can stay.
She says the same thing.